10-4. What's up, guys? Oh, fuck, I got my flash on. Fuck, turn that off. What's up, guys? Today, we're trapping and hunting. And right now, we're going to go over in here and check the trap. He said there was something here, but I doubt it. There's just something. Oh, shit, I just broke my damn phone. There was nothing here. You fucking dumb gaybo. Oh, you don't want to be in the... Thanks a lot, bitch. You fucking cunt. Some bitch just made me drop my phone. As soon as I get back over here, I'm gonna do something. I don't know. But hold on, let me check what time it is. Hey, Clyde, do you got the time? You got what time it is? I'll tell you what time it is in a minute. I like my new glasses. I got them over in Morgantown. Yeah, it's 1:54. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the button. Hey, and don't waste all your damn ammo. There's a bait, pal. Hey. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? What part of the road? Oh, cool.
Come on. I see a cat. Don't come running over.
I want to find out, damn it. Here's my little spot. Hey, Clay, I got some pretty fresh tracks. They're on the side of the hill on the snow that you're sitting on.
Okay, I'll try to do that.
Do what? Hey!
Don't talk to me.
10-4, 10-4, 10-4. See the tracks? They come right down to where I'm sitting. Holy fuck, that's a big track.
Oh my god, that's a fox. It has to be.
This is a pretty big track where I'm sitting.
Yeah, mine too.
Son of a bitch. Where's it at?
Okay, in this car.
Shoot the bastard, or do you want me to shoot it? Okay, I think he shot enough, fucking bastard. Oh, I just heard it. Cool. Q. 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 Huh?
You push out for bait? Dump it out?
Yeah, I had it out.
You should have told me.
It's been out, dipshit. Ever since I got over here and got set up.
You never told me.
Well, I've forgotten. I gotta take me a shit.
They still don't talk.
Why? You got a cat?
See what I'm pretty sure it's going here.
Okay, shut up then. Okay. Huh? Get my gun ready? What? What? What do you want? Damn it, I got to shit. Is it coming my way?
Stop.
Where's it at? Because I can see part of the field from right where I'm sitting.
It ain't in the field. It's behind the tree. Now it's like wall up.
Q, tell me when it comes out. Okay. I'm gonna...
Are you video?
Yes, dipshit, I've been making one. I'm gonna pause the video here. I'm gonna pause the video here and I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Okay. It might be coming in. I'm pretty sure it's a cat. Okay guys, we might got a cat coming in. What? Huh? Hey, I hear a cat coming in from down by Rascal. So shut up, it might come to yours or mine. So, and I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video here and I'll make another one in about 20-40 minutes. Okay, bye. Shut the fuck up, bird.